meteorologist Curtis Greveness.
TGIF, thanks for joining us on this Friday afternoon. If you thought it was windy today, just wait until the weekend. We got a pretty good amount of snow up in the Big Belts. 44 degrees right now in the capital, Great Falls. Good amount of sunshine. We hit 50 degrees, wind gusting to 31 miles per hour. It's going to get a lot worse as we go through the weekend. 40s, 50s, a few 30s. Butte America and Bozeman, and there's the wind already. Some pretty strong sustained winds, gusting near 40 miles per hour, and that wind is going to worsen. Now the high wind warning goes into effect here tonight for the Rocky Mountain front, and then really tomorrow afternoon for other places here in the state. But I think Sunday's actually a worse wind for most of us. A little cold front comes through, and the wind will die off up on the high line for a bit. We'll even look at Monday. Wind picking back up, Helena, Great Falls, Cup Bank. And then into Tuesday. And this will be a chillier wind. Warm wind this weekend, a pretty chilly wind as we go through Tuesday, even Wednesday. Quite a stormy week next week. So, weather alerts, the high wind warning. A warning is imminent. It's very likely going to happen tonight all the way through Sunday night. Gusts to 100 miles per hour along the immediate Rocky Mountain front. And then a high wind watch means, hey, watch out. Things are coming. Not imminent just yet, but very likely in this area. Helena, Great Falls, Lewistown, Havre, everywhere in between. 30 to 50 sustained, 60 to maybe 75 mile an hour gusts. Radar's pretty quiet. There goes our little rain and snowstorm right there. And we will have a little precipitation tonight into tomorrow. A little snow up on the Rocky Mountain front, glacier. This looks like a lot, but probably nothing in Helena besides a snow shower in the Elkhorns tomorrow morning. And then it gets a little warmer. We'll have temperatures in the 50s and 60s, so any snow levels will rise. It's a warm Saturday night. And then Sunday, some snow up on the Rocky Mountain front, rain right along the Rocky Mountain front, and then some rain mixing with and changing to snow later Sunday afternoon and evening up on the high line here. So not a ton of snow, but by Monday morning could be a few inches up north. And then next week, several waves of snow will come through. And there could be quite a bit on the ground even by next weekend. Tonight, a mild night, many places above the freezing point, a windy night as well. Not as windy, a little cooler in northeast Montana. How about that powder at Showdown today? Gorgeous. Tomorrow, and I don't know, tomorrow night, do you spring forward or do you wait until Sunday morning and change the clocks? I like to wake up with the clock set already. 50s and 60s, very windy. Sunday, here comes the front, 50s and 60s, falling temperatures, falling snow in the late afternoon and the evening. And then Monday, it's a little different here. Cold front goes through. So, yeah, we spring forward this weekend. It's like spring, but next week, a little on the unsettled side. It's windy, it's cooler, with a chance for several rounds of snow.